Hello my friends, welcome to day 7 of Enchanted Fairy Collab. This is a collaboration and it is hosted by yours truly, Creating with Jovi. Well, today Belinda with Visualized NZ was supposed to go ahead and post her creation. However, she has had a family emergency, so I went ahead and created a video to cover today. I thought what I would do was go ahead and make a greeting card. Before I get into the details about the greeting card, I want to share the details about the collaboration. There are 26 collaborators and each person is sharing a video on a given day. So it's a month-long collaboration that you can join in not only in watching and supporting the creators, but also jump in yourself. Get your fairy goodies out and create something. And it doesn't even have to be a paper product. One of our creators is going to make a fairy garden. So you're free to do it as long as it's got a fairy theme, or even an enchanted forest theme I think would be fun. Everyone is listed in my description box, so you can click their links if you've missed some videos. If you go back and just hit the @ sign with their name, you can click on that. It'll take you right to their channel. I'll also have my digital kit listed in my description box as well. Now I want to share with you the details about the greeting card. Well, if you've seen the digital kit that I created, Celtic Fantasy, you'll notice that this greeting card coordinates with it very nicely, but it's not part of it. And I have decided to give this away as a freebie. If you would like to have the link to this printable art, you need to do just a few things. 1, smash the like button. 2, put a comment in the comments section letting me know that you would like the link for this. And 3, if I don't already have your email, go to my About page here on YouTube and you will see my email linked in the About page, and go ahead and send me a message. Just email me and give me your email so I can send you the link. Or if it's easier for you, you can go to Instagram and the same thing, just go to the messages, message me with your email, and I'll go ahead and send you the link. Now that I got you caught up on all those details, let's continue on with the actual card details. So you saw on the inside I added some gingham paper, and over top of that I put an Irish blessing. And so now on the outside I'm adding a piece of this gold trim. And I don't use gold trim that much, but this is so perfect. So I'm putting that right down the edge. Once I'm done trimming that up, I want to go ahead and add some of the flat back, they're not gems, they're like pearls almost. So I want to go ahead and add some of those to the cover of this card. I'm going to choose 3 colors that I want to work with. I'm going to choose the black one, which also has like a purple sort of pearlescent look to it. I'm going with yellow, and then I'm going to go with green. While I'm attaching those, I want to thank you so much for being here. I hope you're enjoying the collaboration, and I hope that you have been inspired. So far we've had It's a Deal, Caroline on the Hillside, Lylo Crafts, PamVanEe, BB's Closet Creations, and we have more to come. Coming up will be Crinkled Path, Susan's Heartstrings, Side Gig Crafts, Black Siren Creates, Tina Loves to Craft, Annie Creates, and more. Feel free to join in if you'd like to. Just use the hashtag Enchanted Fairy Collab and tag me so I don't miss your creations. I've decided to add some of those flat back pearls also down the piece of gold trim that we have. I figure I will let you guys know that coming up in April is another large collaboration. It's month-long and it's called A Tassel a Day. Friends, I hope you enjoyed watching me put this card together. Thanks for watching. See you soon.